I've had the great pleasure of attending the 2016 annual meeting of the American Society for Bone and Mineral Research here in Atlanta, Georgia. Here over the past 4 days, some of the world's foremost experts in bone and mineral metabolism have gathered together to exchange scientific information and meet with their colleagues. I'm pleased to present you some of the highlights which I've found. High-resolution bone imaging continues to be a theme, expanding our understanding of how various pathologies interact with different compartments of bone and how therapies may have differential effects on bone architecture as well as mineralization. Diabetes continues to be a focus in osteoporosis, and we see fracture risk in diabetics increase despite higher than expected bone density. We saw data from the Manitoba database which showed increases in fracture risk, especially hip fractures with longer duration of diabetes. The final data from the adanecatab cathepsin K inhibitor phase 3 clinical trial was reported in a number of presentations. The extension study showed that after 5 years of therapy, there was persistence of anti-fracture efficacy. The large number of bone biopsies showed no bone pathology. The safety data showed a benign safety profile. However, there were 10 atypical femoral fractures occurring in patients on adanecatab and none on placebo patients. In addition, a second adjudication of cerebrovascular events confirmed a small but significant increase in the risk of stroke. It was announced that there would be no further development of adanecatab. A large phase 3 study of the sclerostin antibody romosozumab in postmenopausal osteoporosis reported 1 year of romosozumab compared to placebo led to significant reductions in vertebral fractures and clinical fractures. This benefit was maintained in the second year of the study when patients were given denosumab. There was a trend toward reduction in non-vertebral fractures. The impact of damage accumulation in bone was debated. The repair of microdamage provides an opportunity for bone to renew itself with improvement in biomechanical properties. On the other hand, microcracks, or the processes involved with the repair of microdamage, may transiently weaken bone, contributing to fracture risk. There were also many exceptional plenary lectures and symposia. One lecture which I particularly enjoyed was concerning the effects of androgen and estrogen on bone metabolism from basic science to the clinic. These latest research directions into cell senescence and bone aging will be fruitful areas for future research. In another symposium, experts reported the effects of the microbiome on bone qualities, highlighting another fruitful area for preclinical and clinical research. These exciting advances were tempered by concern about increasing gaps in care for patients with osteoporosis. There was a lot of discussion surrounding strategies to better inform physicians and their patients of fracture risk assessment tools and the communication of risks and benefits of treatment. As you can see, it's been a very busy meeting, and I will return home with many new ideas shared by colleagues in the field. Thank you.